5 questions you may have about Taco Bell's resort. Answer. Taco Bell, the chain that dared to dream up both fourth meal and the taco with a fried chicken shell, has an oddball stunt in the works that will either be a massive hit or a Fyre Fest-esque disaster. Later this summer, the chain will open the Bell, a hotel and resort in Palm Springs, California, that will appeal to only the most devoted Nacho Belgian lovers out there. Here's everything you need to know about the experience, in question and answer form. Is the Taco Bell hotel a real thing, or just some fake, brand hype nonsense? It's real, but the experience is perhaps best described as a pop-up hotel. The company that gave the world the Crunchwrap Supreme is taking over an existing hotel, the V Palm Springs, for a 4-night experience that will include DJs, hot yoga, cocktail hours, movie screenings, branded Monty Pettis, pool parties with live performances, and an array of Taco Bell dishes served throughout the day, including a few items that have not been officially released to the public yet. Unlike Sandals, the Bell is not an all-inclusive experience, so all the food, drinks, and apparel will be available for purchase. How much does this thing cost? Prices range from $169 per night for a room with a king bed, but no pool view, to $299 for 2 queen beds, and a view of the water. The prices are always slightly higher than the regular V hotel rates for this time of the year, when a standard king room goes for $140, and a double queen with a pool view runs for $220. The Criso Heavy event will take place during one of the hottest times of the year in Palm Springs, August 8 through 12, when the average high is 107 degrees, and the average low is 76 degrees. The extreme heat might explain why the V Palm Springs had so many rooms to offer up. What are the accommodations like? The throw pillows on the beds, and the pool floats both look like hot sauce buckets, and the walls are adorned with Taco Bell themed graphics.